What's up, guys? All right, it's snack time, of course. You know, I'm not gonna tell you about the Snickers or the Twix or anything like that. When I'm eating healthy and I'm on the go and I need a quick snack, my go-to is trail mix. I'm a trainer. Like, this is what I do, nutrition, baby. No, I do fitness. So, trail mix, nuts, fruits. Like, tell me I'm on the right track.
You're on the right track if you make it at home. So the thing is with these prepackaged trail mixes is normally they have oils in them, like palm oil and sunflower oil. And just looking at some of these briefly, they have food coloring in them. Okay, yes, we want our papayas and pineapples to be beautiful, but there are, yellow food coloring in here. So the best solution is to make your own. It's really easy. You can pre-make it for the week, so you'll have it. Get you some good healthy nuts in there. You can even get cocoa nibs for chips if you need a little bit of chocolate or something for the flavor. And then your fruits, they usually coat the fruits with sugar. So any type of dried fruit is going to be coated with sugar. That's how they preserve it. So try to get some fruits that have not been coated with a ton of sugar.
Okay, all right.
Make your own.
Yeah, so I'm gonna learn how to make my own trail mix. That'll be another video, another time. But so when it's snack time, you can make big bundles of trail mix. So do you just say come and get like, nuts or
Yes,
like
so
they have to be raw?
Yes, whenever you're getting nuts for trail mix, you want to get raw nuts because a lot of the nuts, if we just look at a can of nuts, it's also going to be coated in oils. So those bad oils are the omega-6s that we want to stay away from. You always want to try to get organic raw nuts to make your trail mix.
Okay, and remember, she did say you can get cocoa nips.
Yes, you can.
Yes, because I love chocolate too, baby. Let's go.